Friends, good evening. Welcome to our next tutorial on Core Java. So in this tutorial, we will concentrate on conditional statement, or we can say control statements. Control statements. What is control statement? The control statement of Java program will be executed in a sequential order. So it can be used to execute in a sequential order. If we don't want to execute the statements in a sequential order, that is, if we want to execute a statement in a random order according to the programmer choice, then we will take help of control statement like some loops, like I want to print multiple numbers, that kind of scenarios will use control statements. The control statements will help the programmer to control the flow of execution in a Java program. The control statements are classified into here. These control statements are classified into different things. One is conditional statements. One is conditional statements. So conditional statements again in a conditional statements there are some sub statements are there. Those are here in a conditional statements there are two types. One is if else, next second is a switch. There are two types in a conditional statement. One is if else, next is the switch. And here second type of statement is iterating statements. So we'll discuss in each what is that iterating, what is that conditional, everything we can discuss. Here second one is the iterating statements. Again in the iterating statements there are subtypes, and that the first type is for loop. Second type in this is while loop. Third is do while loop, and the last but not least, here this is the for each loop. So these all are the subcategories of iterating. And in this control statements, the third type of control statements are transfer statements. So what is the transfer statement? Transfer statements. In this transfer statement, again there are some subcategories. One is the break. Second is the continue. Third is return. There are some subcategories. One is the break, continue, and return. So these all are the different types of control statements. We'll discuss in each with what is that meaning and what are the examples of each statement. We'll discuss in detail. But control statement is nothing but when we want to execute on a sequential order of anything or random order according to the programmer choice, that we can do this here. Here there are total three types of control statements: conditional, iterator, and transfer. Again there are subcategories in each. In a conditional statements there are two: if else, switch. And iterator, for loop, while loop, do while loop, for each loop. And a transfer statement, there is a two. One is the break other one is the continue, and the last is the return. So there are three different types are there in this. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates.